Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? Seeing past the trouble, now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally cared for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's pain. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. No more bleeding, can't you see it healing? Hold on to that feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, 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 right. So right, 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 right. Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it. Told me like 100 times out loud, 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 loud. Making me proud, 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 proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the wig that I'm rocking was sent to me by Wigsee. Shout out to you Wigsee for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I really truly do appreciate it. This is my first time working with this company, so shout out to you boo. Okay, shout out to you. Alright, so this wig, now they didn't send me a direct link to this unit, but they did send me information. It's a 13x4 pre-cut HD lace glueless short curly wig. I want to say that they had like 12 inches on there, but on my skirt. Alright y'all, let's hold it right there. The company did let me know it's not 12 inches. It is definitely 8 inches. So I want to go ahead and make that clear for you guys. It is 8 inches, not 12. All right, carry on. Bag, it says 8 inches, so that's what I'm gonna go with. I think it gives about 8 inches. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. Now this unit, although it did come pre-cut, it did come with 3 combs. Shout out to y'all for them combs, honey, because your girl lives for a comb. Okay, I be needing my combs. So shout out to them for that. Now I did decide to adhere the wig, but I don't necessarily think it is necessary. Because like I stated, this particular unit does come with combs and adjustable straps plus an elastic band that also has that little grip on the band, if you guys know what I mean. I hope I show it, or I'll insert a clip here somewhere so you guys can see it. But it gives you plenty of security, and I feel like I would be comfortable wearing it glueless. So even though I didn't, I felt like I would be comfortable doing so. Well, I am wearing it glueless. I'm just not wearing it without any adhesive. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this unit, I did not receive any of the things. Like you may have saw some hair shedding over here, but it's because of where I cut that lace, because the lace was very, like, it was all behind my ears. So I cut that. And you guys I keep it tucked after I cut it. You can see it maybe over here, I don't know, but after I cut it, obviously I had to cut some of the hair. So it was kind of shedding where I cut hair on both sides. But prior to that, this hair was not shedding. That's not to say it won't at some point, but honestly, y'all, my curly pixie wigs like this really never shed. Like, they just don't. They may shed a little at some point, but it's super minimum. Like, love it. Okay, I feel like when you get curly short wigs, they last longer, in my opinion. Now, I did not have to tweeze this unit. How you guys see old girl right now is how old girl woke up. Okay, she woke up like this. I didn't tweeze it, I didn't bleach it, I ain't have no lace to cut. And then all I did was spray it, fluff it a little bit, apply some mousse, add some bobby pins up here, and call it a day. Now, somebody did ask me in my comments why I don't use that brush that everybody likes. I forgot the name of it. I have plenty of them. Let me just show y'all. I have plenty of these. I don't like them. I have seen a lot of people use them to define their curls, and I think it's because I like sort of a fluffy, sort of wild look. I feel like it makes the curls more tame, and I personally don't really like that look, but to each their own. Like, but that's why you probably don't see me like doing, you know, like using that brush, defining these curls, making everything all sleek and together. They don't fit my personality. I ain't sleek and together. I'm wild and loud, okay? So yeah, but I did just basically apply water, fluff out the hair, and apply my mousse, and called it a day. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. In my opinion, this wig is big head friendly. So do with that what you want to do with that. Now, I do have an average cap size, but I had to definitely adjust the straps, crisscross applesauce, and use that elastic band. So in my opinion, it is big head friendly. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Y'all see this waist? Is this waist giving? Is this waist giving, child? Video on my tummy tuck is coming, okay? I just gotta find the time to get it done. But anyways, we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. Now, typically my con would be that it's a 13x4, and I'm still gonna say that, but I really like a lot of my curly pixies don't even have any parting space, okay? Or they have a lace part. It's usually not this much spacing, so I personally don't mind that it's a 13x4, but that is typically my con, and I honestly can't think of any other con for this unit, so that's just gonna have to be it. Now, my pros are, first of all, it's extremely beginner friendly. It comes pre-cut lace. It has combs. It's pre-tweezed. I really didn't need to bleach it. Like, the overall style, y'all know I live for a good curly pixie, especially in the summer. So those are gonna be all my pros with this unit. Yes, obviously I would recommend it, girl. Okay, for all the reasons I listed as pros. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Y'all, I just turned over here and saw Angel. I'm taking this picture of her right now. I'm gonna insert it so y'all can see. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below, sound off down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I feel like I haven't given you guys a frontal pixie in a minute, and this is my first pre-cut frontal pixie. I think it has to be, yeah, I think so. So shout out to Wigsee once again. Y'all definitely came through with the come through. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the comments for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Looks your love completely. Got every styles and weekly. Disastrous.